All right, I've been getting a lot of questions in regards to the new CBD skincare line, and I'm going to show you really quickly what it takes to do the 3 steps. I cleansed and I used a Kiehl's cleanser, which is great for all skin types. My face is dry, and now I'm going to go in and exfoliate with this CBD Enzyme Peel, which is water-based, but the second ingredient is CBD. Doesn't really have a scent, it's fresh. I just literally put about a dime on there, and I'm just gonna dab it onto my skin and work circular motions to actually exfoliate. And as the enzyme starts to work and the friction, you're gonna start to see dead skin come off and feel it. My skin, just soak that right up. I'm gonna do a little bit more on my neck because I have eczema scar that I would like to see decrease. So I'm gonna work that in because there's exfoliating that needs to be done on my skin, and as soon as your skin starts to be pulled, that means that it's pretty much done peeling. So I got quite a bit of dead skin on there. I'm gonna rinse it off, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the next 2 steps. All right, the next step 2 is the Infinite CBD Correcting Serum, and it is aloe-based, but the second ingredient is also CBD. So this one is thin, and it comes out quickly, but you only need a little bit. So I'm gonna do 2 pumps because I did my neck as well. And I'm just gonna pat it on and massage upward strokes in. And then let this absorb in. And then I'm gonna add the moisturizer. Simple 3 steps. So I'm gonna let that dry just a tad. My skin is feeling dewy. This also can be used in the morning and at night. This is the moisturizer. Again, a little bit goes a long way. It's the Cbd Moisturizing Elixir, and it also you only need just a little bit. It also is aloe-based, and the second ingredient is CBD. So I'm gonna do 2 to 3 pumps on this because I have it on my neck. As well. Again, I'm gonna pat it onto my skin and moisturize it in. Smells light and refreshing. I recommend using a good quality sunscreen after you're done. So that's basically the 3 steps. Step 1 is your enzyme peel, which I only recommend doing 3 to 5 times a week. For sensitive skin, probably 3. But those who have tougher skin, you can use this more. And then you'll use your CBD correcting serum. It will help to reduce sunspots, dehydration, reduce fine lines, and then restore with our moisturizer. It has a patented micro-encapsulated technology, which basically means it'll start working once you put it on, but throughout the day it will continue to work. 3 steps, simple, and you are done.